Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an address on Vinted. To begin, open Vinted in your web browser. This will take you to the main Vinted homepage, where you can buy and sell clothes, shoes, and accessories. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your account before continuing, since address settings are only available from inside your profile. Once you are on the site and logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu, where you can access different areas related to your profile, preferences, and account details. If you do not immediately see the option you need, take a moment to let the menu fully appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Vinted stores the main account options, including the information connected to shipping and delivery. Opening Settings is an important step because your address is managed from there rather than from the main profile page. Inside Settings, find and click on Shipping or Postage. Depending on your region or the version of Vinted you are using, the wording may vary slightly, but it should refer to shipping-related options. This section is where you manage the address used for deliveries and postage details. When you arrive at the Shipping Settings page, click on Add Your Address. This will open the form where you can enter your address information. Make sure you type everything carefully, since this address may be used for shipping labels, deliveries, or other account-related mailing needs. It is a good idea to double-check spelling, street details, and postal code as you go, to avoid delivery issues later. Next, enter your address into the required fields. Fill in the details exactly as they should appear for mail or package delivery. If there are optional fields, only complete them if they apply to your location. Taking a few extra seconds here can help make sure your deliveries go smoothly and reach the correct destination. After you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save Address. This confirms the address and stores it in your Vinted account settings. Once saved, your address should be available for future shipping and postage use. And that's it. You have successfully added an address on Vinted. If needed, you can always return to the same shipping or postage section later to update the address or make corrections.